Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix World of Warships Legends fatal error on PC. So if you're getting fatal error in the game World of Warships Legends, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. Don't ignore this step. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the World of Warship Legends folder and select this World of Warships Legend exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can also select this specific GPU, the dedicated graphic card driver, select this and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to set high performance in NVIDIA control panel. So in Windows search type NVIDIA control panel and then open the NVIDIA control panel app. Then click on manage 3D settings, then go to the program settings and then click on add, and here find the World of Warships Legends game and then click on add selected program. Now if you don't see World of Warship Legend games in this list, then you can also click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So you can go to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, open common folder, open World of Warship Legends game folder and select this World of Warship Legend exe file and then click on open, and then you can select this and then click on add selected programs. After selecting the program, from the drop down here select high performance NVIDIA processor and then hit on apply, and then just restart your PC once, and after PC restart, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters and here it is, the integrated graphic card driver. Just right click on it and then select disable device and then click on yes to confirm. This will disable the integrated graphic card driver, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Later after playing the game, don't forget to come here and then you can enable the device after playing the game. Fix 5 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on World of Warship Legend game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now look for the World of Warship Legend exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization, then hit on apply, okay, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then uncheck all these 3 boxes, just untick all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, okay, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to upgrade graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the World of Warship Legends game folder and select the World of Warship Legends exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Open the World of Warships Legends folder. Select World of Warship Legend exe file and then click on open. And then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties. In the launch option type -DX11 first. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Then click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So again either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select properties, and in the general tab you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall World of Warship Legends game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve World of Warship Legends fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.